This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Place chocks each side of the rear wheel diagonally opposite to the wheel being removed. Position the jack head under the reinforced section of the floor seam. Don't jack under the sill flange. Raise the vehicle until the wheel is clear of the ground. Support the vehicle with an axle stand under the floor seam. The engine undertray is secured by various torque screws around its circumference. Undo the screws, noting that some have integral washers. Withdraw the undertray, noting how the fingers at the front edge engage with the panel underneath the radiator. Slacken the engine sump drain plug, then position a suitable container under the plug location. Fully unscrew the drain plug and allow the old engine oil to drain into the container. Unbolt the bracket above the oil filter and move it to one side. Place absorbent rags around the filter location, then using a suitable socket unscrew the filter cap. When the oil has finished draining, wipe clean the drain plug area, then refit the plug with a new sealing washer. Tighten the drain plug to the specified torque. Remove the cap along with the filter element. Pull the old filter element from the cap and remove the O-ring seals. Wipe clean the filter cap and the inside of the filter housing. Carefully fit the new O-ring seals into their respective grooves in the filter cap. Note that the two smaller seals are different sizes. The new filter element is marked top at one end. Fit this end of the element into the cap and clip it firmly into place. Apply a smear of clean engine oil to the 3 O-ring seals on the cap. Manoeuvre the cap and filter into the housing, then tighten it to the specified torque. Remove any rags from around the filter area. Refit the bracket and securely tighten the retaining bolt. Remove the dipstick and then unscrew the oil filler cap from the cylinder head cover. Fill the engine using the correct grade and type of oil. A funnel may help to reduce spillage. Pour in half the quantity of oil first, then wait a few minutes for the oil to run to the sump. Insert the dipstick, then pull it out again and examine the oil level. The maximum and minimum levels are indicated by notches in the dipstick. Continue adding oil a small quantity at a time until the level is up to the maximum mark on the dipstick. Refit the filler cap. Start the engine and run it for a few minutes. Note that there may be a few seconds delay before the oil pressure warning light goes out when the engine is started, as the oil circulates through the engine oil galleries and the new oil filter before the pressure builds up. Check for leaks around the oil filler cap and the sump drain plug. Switch off the engine and wait a few minutes for the oil to settle in the sump once more. With the new oil circulated and the filter completely full, recheck the level on the dipstick and add more oil as necessary. Manoeuvre the undertray into position under the vehicle and engage the front edge fingers with the radiator panel. Holding the undertray in place, refit the various screws and tighten them securely. Remove the axle stand and lower the vehicle to the ground.